Hey y'all, it's me Maya. Welcome back to my channel. And today in this video I'm gonna be showing you how I did my locks. This is my first time doing this, so they're not like the best. If you want to see how I did my hair, stay tuned. I use let me show you. Okay, so this is the hair that I use. You can use Freecher's water wave. That hair is a little bit there's a big difference. Like the gray is what I use Freecher's for, but that hair from my beauty supply store was more expensive, so I just got this one, water wave. It's the same texture and whatnot. It's just, I don't know, it's not as silky, but it still does the job. The black ones are with this. So this is the Afri Natural 3 times Caribbean Bohemian Soft Water. This is what it looks like. Take a picture of that if you want to. I think this is $8.99. It's 22 inches. This is color 1. I bought 2 of these, and they have like 3 bundles each, and I only used 1. So I used 1 pack and then that 1 bundle. And so yeah, I didn't use all of this hair. So there's 2 bundles, but the other one just fell off. But this is the hair that I use to wrap. I think I bought only 1 of these, and I used 1 whole one, and then some of the half, like, this is how much is left. So it's a lot, clearly. Just a little bit. And this is this hair. It's the Expression Twisted Up Springy Afro Twist 16 inch. And yeah, if y'all like this video, thumbs up. Follow me on Instagram if y'all want. Subscribe. And yeah, I'll be posting more. But thank you for watching. I already like just braiding my hair. When you braid your hair, like, look, this is what my braids look like. This is how my parts look. I really don't know. For the gray hair, I'm using Freecher's water wave in the color gray. It looks like this. This was $7.99 for each. I mean, for this entire pack was $7.99, and for each like this, I used 2 of them. So I'm just gonna start with this one. I'm gonna do this one gray. This one is black. First things first, I'm gonna grab, like, this is how it looks. I'm just gonna grab like this much. It's just like an estimate. Grab what you want to grab, I guess. And I'm not gonna cut it. So I'm just gonna crochet this into the braid and put this on there. I'm really struggling, so this is really hard. Like I said, I really don't know what I'm doing, okay? And then I'm gonna pull it halfway through and then just hold one piece and then pull the rest through. You see what I'm doing? And now it's in there. Fluff them out like this. I'm not really that great at fluffing it. But Freecher's fluff, that's another thing that you can see the difference. Like, this fluffed out very easy versus that other one, it don't fluff out as easily. So I use 2 and I just hold it like this. And then I'm gonna crochet it in, just like I did the other ones. So again, I'm just gonna do one side shorter, one side longer, and then I'm gonna take everything on this side. Like, I'm gonna take my braid, the base hair that I'm using with my braid, and the other half, the longer half of the wrapping hair. Take that on one side, and then at the root, I'm just gonna like do it a couple times real tight so it don't slip or nothing. Although this hair, that's on my this stuff don't slip. I'm sorry, because I did one. I tried to take it out and it wasn't budging. It wasn't coming out. I had to cut it like 4 times. So to do it like this, I'm not really good at wrapping the roots. I don't really know how to do that well. So I'll be missing spots, yeah. And then I'm just gonna start wrapping looser or loosely. And then like once I get down halfway, I start adding the little what's it called? Like the thumb thing. But I don't use my thumb, I use my index because my thumb make them real big. And I'm also kind of gapping it only because the black hair is showing, and I think that looks fine. So, yeah. Okay, you see, I'm going to put my finger next to it, wrap the hair over my finger, and then basically I'm just going to take it out, leave But like, is it bad? Is it bad that thick? I might just need to use one piece because that's really thick. But then again, the messier it is, it kind of looks better that way. Cause I'm gonna wear it in the side part like this. I don't think it looked bad like that, but I think it looked kind of weird. I don't know. I'm really not gonna be able to see how it looks until I finish my whole head. I'm gonna do like half my head and I'll come back. It might be tomorrow, might even be Friday. So I made these ones, I made this one so much smaller. Don't mind the ends, gotta get clipped some. But like I made it so much, like did I even clip it? Like, basically what I was saying was, I made this one so much skinnier and I love this size a lot more. But I'm gonna do this one over because it's very much so thick. And I like this size smaller. So I think with the other brand, because if we compare the size of this one versus the size of one of the features, I don't know if you can tell, but the features has a lot more hair in it. Like there's a lot more hair in the features than in this one. So for the features, I think I'm just gonna do one, and then this one I'm gonna use two because these ones are very thin. So yeah, I'm gonna do this one over and then let you know. So my hair is showing. I mean, this is my first time. And then for the gray, I just use one strand because this hair fluff out a whole lot. So I just use one strand for the gray, two strands for the black. I don't cut them. Well, for the back, since like the back is like from here to here, those ones I kind of need to cut. That's why I have like one super long one in the back because I didn't cut the hair. But for the most part, I didn't need to cut the hair. Then I'm gonna twist it like this in like one part, and then hold it like this, just so I can put it onto the little hook. And then I hold one side. So now one side is here, one side is there. So I'm gonna pull this side longer because for the most part, well, this is basically what we wrapping, and so I make sure like this is at least like somewhat the length that I want it to be, because if it's too short, then I'm gonna run out of wrapping. So this one's up here and this one's right here. And then I'm gonna take the gray hair and I'm gonna do the same thing where I'm like gonna twist like the middle of it, just so it'll hook on. So basically I have my braid, both pieces of my wrapper hair. I have my braid, one piece of my, so basically in one hand I have my braid, the longer side of the hair that I'm actually wrapping, and then both pieces of the hair, like the base or whatever. And then I'm trying to do it is like I'm doing it tight around the roots. I'm not necessarily good at that because I really don't be knowing what I'm doing. Okay, and so once I get that part down, because when you do them real tight, it get real stiff. Then I start wrapping looser and whatnot. I've had to like go back and try to add pieces and wrap because my hair is always showing. And so you see how like I really don't have no more. So then I'm gonna put this in this hand and take out this long piece. And then I'm gonna start wrapping with the long piece. And so to get the little loops, I don't know, I put my finger down, wrap over my finger like this, and then basically you just wrap again, keeping that loop there. So I'm gonna do it like this just because it's hard for me to keep the loop, but I don't know if you can see what I'm doing. You might have to play that in slow-mo. But yeah, some people, they just like put their finger there like this. Ooh. They just put their finger here like this and then they just wrap like next, but that sometimes don't be working for me. But I basically just keep doing that over, and I make sure to keep my hair covered, especially where my end is, because it's gonna stick out if I don't. So I don't really care about the black showing through because they kind of match anyways. I just want my hair covered. And so this ain't like the best one, but I'm probably gonna add hair to it anyway. And so like right here, I'm gonna cut all this off because I have a bunch of this here. And so I'm gonna cut it to like, you see now it's just like this short, and then I fold this part up. So it's like this, and then I hold it, and then I basically just like try to wrap over that where I just folded. Sometimes it's real hard, sometimes it's not hard. So I'm just basically just wrapping over the area that I folded. I know y'all can't see, get my fingers all up in the vein, but look, I'm trying. And then like once I finish, I just keep wrapping. Like you see all these little scraggly pieces, I'm basically just gonna keep wrapping it around because that'll make sure it don't go nowhere. And then I'm just gonna roll it. Oh shoot, I didn't mean to do that. Oh, see, that's the thing about the gray ones. The gray ones shrink up a whole lot. And so technically, you know, it's not actually shorter because like they really the same length, but it shrink up like it's shorter. But that's not, I don't really care too much about that. But yeah, the black ones, in my opinion, did come out a little bit better. This one's black and gray. And now I'm gonna take out the rest and see. So this is basically how I look with the middle part, but I don't wear my hair in the middle part. I'm gonna show you how I wear it. This is how I wear my hair. And so this is basically how it looks. I gotta do my edges some. And you can't see some of my hair. Like I said, I really don't be know what I'm doing, so I forgot to record an outro. And yeah, so if you made it to this video, like and subscribe. You can comment below if this video helped you, if it gave you an idea or anything. Also, this video in my opinion isn't the best quality. Like I could do better, and so I'm going to do better. So stay tuned for my next video because it's going to be way better than this video. But I just want to include some videos so you can see how it looks at the end, because I feel like at the end of the video, like when I actually finished, it didn't really look all that cute. Like I feel like it looks better now that it's been in my head for a while. So yeah, but thank you for watching.